So unless, this is Katrina's answer, unless a specific intelligent being says, look, I want to be a crystal skull, it will instantly create it through the power of the mind, but it will give a history connected to it, because human beings would never believe, oh, a crystal skull is just going to manifest out of nowhere, which is essentially what would happen if a being does that. And actually, we have somewhere, it's hiding from me, a little tiny fire opal skull that came through a spiritual medium. It came through his mouth, and it was apported, which means it came out of nowhere. All right. So there have been apported crystal skulls, and I would suspect, like in England, which is a very spiritual place where you have spiritual energy and sacred sites all over the place, that a medium could go to one of those, like go to, Stonehenge or Avebury or Glastonbury, go up to the Tor and sit in meditation, and a crystal skull literally could just come out of nowhere, because the medium's there to be the channel to allow it to come into our reality, which is what happened with this medium. So for the most part, if a crystal skull comes out of the ground, it was most likely created by an ancient civilization or an advanced civilization. And of course, we have all the carvers today that are making these skulls. But a highly evolved spirit being that can manipulate our reality could just say, okay, I'm going to play with the humans, and I'll just, out of the blue, I'll just make a crystal skull. So that's the best way I know how to answer that question.
That's amazing.